Well, here we have another storm of the century. This is about the third storm of the century in the last 2 months. Supposed to get about 2 feet of snow overnight. Kids have already had their school canceled for tomorrow. Nancy's already had school canceled at UPJ for tomorrow. And it looks like I have to go to work somehow, get out in the snow. I don't know if you can see them, if there's enough light, but there are the brave snow shovelers over at Grace's. This is an unidentified person coming up the path here. I think this is Joseph. Gina is over there somewhere. Snow shoveler number 2.
Hi, Daddy! Whoa! What are you doing there, Dad? Here we go. All ready? Uh-oh. Whoa! I didn't get in trouble. I gotta get away from that farmer.
There's the boss snow shoveler on duty.
Fireman safety. Keep your doors and your walkways open. I'm reporting live from Thomas Mills.
Here we are at the scene of the big storm here in Thomas Mills. Ma'am, you seem to be coping with the storm very well. Tell us, what is your secret?
The secret is
You never shovel.
you keep shoveling. You just keep shoveling. A couple times a day in a big storm. That
And then
way
the camera blows up.
the snow isn't heavy. That way
You drop the shovel.
your work
Big stuff.
time is cut down.
Big
Now,
storm.
if you can scan to the driveway there.
storm.
Now, we've been out the driveway twice today. And it took less than 20 minutes to do that whole driveway, I know. Because we just kept shoveling. We just kept shoveling.
So you're suggesting that people get out and shovel.
Keep shoveling.
Keep shoveling. That's the secret to surviving this storm of the century.
Storm of the century. That's right.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your points of view.
I'd like to say one more thing.
We really don't have
How
time.
about me?
Ma'am, what is your secret for surviving this winter storm?
We go out. Play all day, then we go out.
Play all day. You think playing all day will get you through the winter storm?
Yeah!
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. Okay, good.
The Pittsburgh Steelers been winning. I kissed in the camera. I went. Well, we'll be able to watch me.
He just doesn't want you to touch the lens.
I won't. I slept just a beautiful day, Dad. But here we go. Day. Minneapolis. Oh, it's flying. Oh, with the net. Boston, it's going to be no goal. The net was. No. Excuse me, youngster. I'm the Steelers. Excuse me, youngster.
Here we have Fred R. Turbo. What do you think of the winter storm, Fred?
There we go.
There sure seems to be an awful lot of snow.
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 What are you doing to cope, Fred?
Here go the Steelers.
Well,
The winner. Big enough
to cope, I really don't understand the question. You're
How you keeping up? Fred?
keeping up.
How you hanging?
How's that thing work?
Mom, can I take a picture of you?
Well, I'm getting my children here to shovel the snow. That's how I cope. Yes, they're lovely, lovely little children, and they work very hard.
I see.
Daddy.
They are lovely.
Daddy. 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 Hi, Daddy in there. Can I take a picture now?
Be real careful. Take a picture of Fred.
Good. I have to take off. That's too heavy for me to carry. Now, how do you hold it anyway?
Picture? Yeah, right like
Let
that.
Mom help.
I'll do the rest. You go ahead and look.
I can't see Mom.
Wait, leave go of it a minute.
This is simulated making snow angels. Simulated version of snow angels.
See her?
How you doing now, Mom? Why is Jane funny ears? Okay, now I'll let Joseph take a picture. I get to take a picture. Yeah. I put some.
Get back in there and flap. Get back in there and flap your wings. Take a picture of the angel. Do this. No, sit back down in the snow.
So you can see her.
Now, Do this with your arms. Make the snow move.
Even the bad, even the sad, even the bad, even the sad, even the bad, even the sad, even the bad. Come on, look, yes, do I know you. I know you.
Go ahead.
First you dig up. That's first one drop it on your sister's head. No. And then cave in right here. And then put show down. Do this. I'll be getting in there, so you have to. And then cave in. Then you cave in. And then cave in. And then you go flying up. Cave in. And then you go to bed. And then you let then you cave in again. Then you call us up. Leanne!
Well, let's go on in, guys.
No!
The wind is starting to kick up again.